Optimize your finances to enjoy a better life. You've spent your entire life working hard, saving, and building wealth for the future. But as you enter your 70s, how can you protect the money and assets you have accumulated over the years? At this age, financial risks do not just come from market fluctuations, but also from spending decisions, inflation, and even scams targeting seniors. Even a small mistake can significantly impact your retirement life. In today's video, we will share 4 essential rules to help you safeguard your money and retirement assets, ensuring that you can enjoy your golden years safely and comfortably. Let's explore the key strategies to secure your finances right now. 1. Be cautious when granting financial control to others. Managing finances can become more challenging after turning 70. Many seniors wish to simplify their lives by handing over financial control to family members or financial managers. However, this can be a risky decision without proper safeguards. Granting control improperly can lead to asset loss, family disputes, and even a loss of independence. The risks of delegating financial control. One of the most common mistakes is placing blind trust in others without setting clear boundaries. Many elderly parents hand over bank account control or assets to their children or relatives, believing they will manage expenses responsibly. However, even well-intentioned individuals can make mistakes or be influenced by their personal circumstances. For example, if you grant a relative joint ownership of your bank account, they can withdraw money or make transactions without your consent. In some cases, they may face financial pressure and unintentionally use the funds, not realizing the consequences. Even worse, in cases of family disputes or legal issues, you might lose full control over your assets. The risks are not limited to family members. Seniors are often financially exploited by scammers posing as caregivers or financial advisors. Some fraudsters convince elderly individuals to sign complex legal documents, unknowingly handing over asset control. Once this happens, reclaiming ownership or recovering lost money can be extremely difficult. How to protect your assets while still receiving support. Instead of giving up complete control, you can use legal tools to safeguard your wealth while still getting assistance when needed. Here are some key measures. Use a limited power of attorney. Rather than granting full financial power, you can establish a limited power of attorney. This means you only allow others to perform specific transactions, such as paying bills or managing a set amount of money, rather than having control over all your assets. Consult an attorney to create clear legal terms and ensure that this power can be revoked if necessary. Set up a revocable trust. A revocable trust is a secure way to protect your assets while maintaining control. You can appoint a trustee to manage the trust while retaining the authority to make changes. If you notice any unusual activities, you can modify or dissolve the trust at any time. A trust also helps you avoid legal complications in case of health issues, or if you become unable to manage your finances. Maintain a supervised bank account. If you need financial assistance from family members, consider opening a supervised bank account. This type of account allows someone to help with payments while ensuring that you approve transactions. Some banks also offer transaction alerts, sending notifications via text or email for unusual activity. This feature makes it easier for you to track expenses and quickly detect any suspicious transactions. Retaining control to protect yourself. Seeking help in old age is necessary, but you should never sacrifice your independence. No matter how trustworthy your family members are, setting clear boundaries is essential to protect your assets and rights. Remember, financial security is not just about preserving your money. It's about maintaining your freedom, dignity, and peace of mind in your later years. With a few small adjustments, you can receive the assistance you need while ensuring that your wealth remains safe. Eliminating wasteful expenses and unnecessary financial commitments. As you enter retirement or prepare for old age, effective financial management becomes crucial to ensuring a stable and comfortable life. One common issue many seniors face is maintaining unnecessary expenses that they may not even realize. Small costs such as unused gym memberships, outdated insurance policies, or automatic subscriptions can silently drain thousands of dollars each year. Eliminating these wasteful expenses is a simple yet effective way to optimize your budget, giving you more financial resources for essential needs. Common wasteful expenses. Many seniors do not realize they are still paying for services they no longer use or need. Here are some common expenses to review. 1. Outdated insurance policies. Insurance is an important part of financial planning, but not all policies need to be maintained indefinitely. For example, you might still be paying for life insurance even though your children are financially independent. Some health or auto insurance policies may contain provisions that no longer suit your needs. Review all your insurance contracts and keep only the policies that truly provide value. 2. Automatic subscriptions. Many people subscribe to services such as gym memberships that haven't been used in months, streaming services, even if they only watch occasionally, magazines, or paid software that are no longer necessary. These small monthly fees might seem insignificant, but they add up over time and put unnecessary pressure on your budget. 3. Unnecessary bank and credit card fees. Many people overlook maintenance fees, withdrawal fees, or high credit card interest rates. Some bank accounts waive fees if you maintain a minimum balance or switch to online banking instead of in-person transactions. How to cut unnecessary expenses. Review all recurring transactions. The first step in cutting wasteful expenses is to review your bank and credit card statements from the past 6 to 12 months. Identify recurring charges and evaluate if they are still needed. Cancel unnecessary charges by contacting your bank or service provider immediately. Temporarily pause uncertain subscriptions to see if you truly miss or need them. Cancel and use subscriptions. If you struggle to track automatic subscriptions, several online tools can help you manage and cancel them easily. Trim automatically scans recurring payments and cancels unwanted services. Truebill helps track budgets and negotiates lower fees with service providers. You can also directly contact your bank or service providers to request cancellation if you no longer need the service. Negotiate lower costs. For essential services that seem too expensive, try negotiating for a lower rate. For example, if you still want cable TV, call your provider and ask for a cheaper plan. If you use credit cards, ask your bank about reducing maintenance fees or interest rates. Many companies are willing to offer discounts to retain customers, especially those with good payment history. Switch to more affordable alternatives. Consider switching to cheaper options that still meet your needs. For example, replace cable TV with a free or lower-cost streaming service. Adjust your insurance plan to keep only essential coverage. Switch to a no-fee bank account if your current bank charges monthly maintenance fees. Optimizing finances to enjoy life more. Eliminating unnecessary expenses not only saves you money, but also helps you manage finances more efficiently. With the money saved, you can invest in more meaningful goals, such as healthcare, travel, or supporting your family. Take time to review your finances today. A few small adjustments could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year, allowing you to enjoy life to the fullest. Maintaining a monitored bank account, a safe solution for personal finance. Managing finances in old age can become more complex, especially when you need support from family members. Some seniors struggle with tracking expenses, paying bills on time, or identifying suspicious transactions. However, giving full financial control to someone else carries risks, such as financial abuse or loss of control over personal assets. A practical solution that allows you to receive support while maintaining financial control is to open a monitored bank account. This tool helps you manage finances transparently, securely, and with reduced risk of exploitation. What is a monitored bank account? A monitored bank account is a type of account that allows a trusted family member to assist with managing expenses and payments, but they cannot conduct transactions without your approval. For example, you can allow a family member to help pay bills, buy groceries, or cover medical expenses, while ensuring that all transactions require your confirmation before processing. Benefits of a monitored bank account. 1. Retaining financial control without full dependence. One of the biggest risks to financial assistance is losing complete control. A monitored account ensures that you still have final approval over all important transactions, preventing unauthorized spending. 2. Reducing the risk of fraud and financial abuse. Many seniors become targets of financial scams or even exploitation by family members. With a monitored account, You can easily track expenses and detect unusual activity before financial damage occurs. 3. Ensuring timely bill payments and avoiding late fees. If you forget bill due dates or struggle to manage recurring expenses, a trusted family member can help monitor and process payments on time. This prevents late fees, service disruptions, electricity, water, insurance, credit score damage from missed payments. 4. Receiving alerts for unusual transactions. Many banks offer transaction alerts via SMS or email for activities such as large, unexpected withdrawals, transactions in unfamiliar locations, transfers to unknown accounts. These alerts help you quickly detect and prevent fraud before significant losses occur. How to open a monitored bank account. 1. Check with your bank. Not all banks offer monitored accounts, so contact your bank to ask about available options. Some institutions may refer to them as joint supervised accounts, limited authority accounts. 2. Choose a trusted co-monitor. Selecting the right person to assist with finances is crucial. This could be your child, grandchild, sibling, or a close friend. Someone responsible, honest, and genuinely concerned about your well-being. 3. Define specific permissions. When setting up the account, ask your bank to establish clear financial boundaries, such as allowing the co-monitor to pay bills but not withdraw money, requiring your approval for transactions above a certain amount, ensuring you have full access to monitor all transactions. 4. Enable transaction alerts. Request your bank to send instant notifications for all account activities. If you notice any suspicious transactions, you can immediately contact the bank for verification. Key precautions for using a monitored account. Do not share your password or PIN. Even with trusted family members, keep your credentials private for added security. Regularly review bank statements. Check monthly transactions to ensure all expenses are legitimate. Have a backup plan. If your co-monitor can no longer assist, choose a secondary trusted person to take over. Protect your finances and maintain independence. Maintaining a monitored bank account is a smart way to safeguard your finances, reduce fraud risks, and ensure you receive necessary support without losing control over your assets. Take time to explore your bank's options and select a solution that best fits your needs. By actively managing your finances, you can enjoy life with security, independence, and peace of mind. Switching to more cost-effective alternatives. Optimizing your budget. Effective personal finance management isn't just about cutting expenses, but also about finding more cost-effective alternatives that still meet your needs. There are many everyday expenses that can be optimized, from entertainment services and insurance to banking. By reviewing and adjusting these options, you can save significantly without sacrificing your quality of life. Here are some ways to take advantage of cheaper alternatives that are still effective. Cut unnecessary entertainment costs. Many people spend hundreds of dollars each year on entertainment services like cable TV, streaming platforms, and premium gym memberships, but they may not use them often. Evaluate these services and look for more affordable options. Cancel cable TV and switch to cheaper or free streaming services. There are many free or more affordable platforms in cable, such as YouTube, Tubi, Pluto TV, or basic plans of Netflix and Disney+. Cancel and use services. If you subscribe to several streaming services but only use a few, consider canceling the ones you don't need. Take advantage of discounts or account sharing. Some services allow family account sharing, which can significantly reduce costs. Adjust insurance plans to lower costs. Insurance is an important part of personal finance, but it's not always necessary to have expensive plans. Consider reviewing and adjusting your insurance coverage. Review car, health, and home insurance policies. Many people pay for benefits they don't actually need. You can call your insurance company to see if you can downgrade to a more suitable plan. Compare prices between insurance companies. Don't hesitate to shop around for more competitive prices while still maintaining essential coverage. Take advantage of discounts. Some insurance companies offer discounts for long-term customers, safe driving records, or paying premiums early. Switch to a bank account with no fees. Many banks charge monthly maintenance fees ranging from $5 to $15, which can add up to hundreds of dollars annually. If you're paying these fees, Consider switching to a bank with better fee policies. Choose a bank with no maintenance fees. Some online or traditional banks offer free accounts if you maintain a minimum balance or use their services regularly. Use a high-interest savings account. Instead of keeping money in an interest-free checking account, consider moving part of it to a high-yield savings account. Avoid ATM and international transaction fees. If you often withdraw cash or travel abroad, choose a bank that offers free transactions in these cases to save on fees. Save on daily expenses with small changes. In addition to large expenses, you can also save on everyday spending by adjusting your shopping habits and service usage. Buy on sale or in bulk. If you regularly use a product, buy it during sales or in larger quantities to save more. Use cashback and discount apps. Apps like Honey, Rakuten, or Ibotta can help you save when shopping online. Use public transportation or carpool. If you're spending too much on gas or commuting fees, consider using public transport or carpooling to cut costs. Build effective spending habits. Lastly, saving money is not just about finding cheaper alternatives. It's also about developing smart financial habits. Try tracking monthly expenses. Use apps like Mint and NAB or Spending Log to keep track of where your money is going. Setting clear financial goals. With clear goals, it's easier to control spending and cut unnecessary expenses. Learning to say no to unnecessary purchases. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I really need this? Switching to more cost-effective alternatives. Switching to more cost-effective alternatives is one of the simplest but most effective ways to optimize your personal budget. By adjusting expenses like entertainment services, insurance, banking, and daily shopping habits, you can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year while still maintaining your quality of life. Take the time to review your expenses today and identify the changes that can help you build a more secure financial future. Optimizing finances for a better life. Managing expenses doesn't mean you have to live a life of deprivation or give up things you enjoy. In fact, eliminating unnecessary spending will give you more financial freedom, which can help you enjoy life more fully. Each month, you may be paying for automatic subscriptions that are no longer valuable, such as unnecessary insurance plans, underused cable TV services, gym memberships you rarely use. These seemingly small expenses can quietly cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars annually. Instead of wasting this money, you could reinvest it into more important things, such as healthcare. Invest in a healthy diet, regular exercise, or periodic health checkups for a better quality of life. Travel experiences. Allocate your budget for exploring new places, creating memorable experiences instead of wasting money on unnecessary things. Supporting family. Have extra funds to help loved ones or invest in your children's education. Take some time today to review your personal finances. A few small adjustments in how you manage your money could lead to significant savings, allowing you to enjoy life more comfortably and meaningfully.